Speaking of Wish, it actually has done really well too. This was on the watch list that we put out last week, making a pretty good run. No real reason as to why this is going, except for the fact that it's gained the attention of a lot of the Reddit crowd as well. You know, for me, this is more or less of a YOLO type of play. I don't want to, I hate using that term, but it kind of was. I took a starting position. It takes up around 5% of my account. And I think that's one thing that a lot of people get hung up on as well. We talk about things like Clover and Wish and whatever else. I'm not whole accounting these things. Wish is something that if I lose my ass on Wish, or if Wish goes to $0, I will still be standing here talking to you guys about my next trade, because I'm not whole accounting it. I'm not over leveraging myself. I'm, you know, whatever. But I think that Wish has the momentum behind it, and that's why I decided to trade it. So today, it's not doing, right now it's just barely red. I actually ended up moving up over $14 at one point today. We could take a look at the 5-minute chart. And for me, this is strictly off of momentum. I'm looking at the charts. I'm looking at how this is moving, and I like the way that it's moving. Right now, it's been pretty sideways with the exception of the spike all the way up to 1443, which was pretty awesome. And we look at the chart, and this is why I liked it. I looked at this. I ended up taking a start at 1109 because I saw that there was a potential bull flag pattern breaking out here. Sure enough, it did that. I got in at 1109, and then it broke out, and it's looking like it might continue to do so. So that's why I ended up taking that. And again, it's just a momentum play for me. It's not that I fundamentally like the stock. This is just something that takes up less than, it might take up a little bit more than 5% now, but at the time it took up less than 5% of my actual account size. So, you know, like I said, the risk here is small. And when I go after speculative plays like this, that's usually the case. It's going to be something that's very small risk, but you know, hey, has some high reward. So why not take a chance on it?